Do you see it? How about now? When you don't have jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, make it with pineapples. These little bugs are the sphinx moth caterpillars, and they will eat all of your plumeria and sometimes the canarios too. But let me show you this tree they decimated. This used to have beautiful flowers all over it, and now it is just completely torn up. There's only a few more bugs left on it because they have just eaten everything already. Really raining good. It's our flamboyant in the distance, blooming.
Got another chunk of concrete and fence out. That's really easy with the truck. To do that by hand would take a lot more work. Gotta keep going.
More to come. So this is the kind of mess that we had to deal with when we first moved here. There's vines upon vines, weedy trees and growth. This is all just on our fence. There's a fence in through here. You can't hardly see it at this point in time, but back there's a chain link fence. It's basically turned into a mess of weedy salsa trees and vines. So right now we're trying to remove this fence in general. We haven't kept this fence clear because we've never really liked this fence anyway, so it was nice to have a green cover on it. But now that has come back to bite us a little bit because there's just so much growing on it that it's a battle just to bite off these plants. So this is kind of how we started when we moved here, was just going through the whole property like this. We're a lot better at it now. We know what we're doing. We have the right tools, but it's still really hard, hot work to work out here and get some of these things cleared off. So in Spanish, a lot of times they say when you're working on the land, you're limpiando el terreno, because it's like cleaning the land to make it, because it just looks like a mess. Today's order consists of a lot of torch gingers, reds and pinks and white, as well as some beehive gingers and some heliconias. This is a contortionist heliconia, rauliana, rostrata, as well as some beautiful foliage and some other upright heliconias. Beautiful as always. Making chili again with ají peppers and cubanelle peppers. Regular bell peppers are sometimes hard to find. Some garlic and turmeric. And this, actually, they had some jalapeno peppers, which is very difficult to find in Puerto Rico. Buen provecho! Do you see it? How about now? Little green iguana, baby. Jardines Eneda, and we ran across Geraldo, right, who has seen some of our videos, and so we were talking about some of the places. He is helping to stock. Look at these beautiful plants. We have looks like guayaba, yeah, right, we have some star fruit, we have turmeric, curcuma, we have, let's see, what is this one? looks like maybe pomarosa
Yeah, probably.
and some tamarind.
Yeah.
So he has a whole new load of plants. So we were talking about the plants at first, and then he said he recognized some of our videos,
Yeah,
and
I
he's
love them.
come to what are some of the waterfalls you've come to?
I've been to Puente Colgante on Juntas. That's the one I've visited so far. It was pretty nice. I loved it. I saw the berries too. That you guys check the berries over there. It was pretty nice, and the bridge was pretty awesome too.
Cool. Well, thank you for watching, and
Thank you.
keep recommending it. So thank you,
Appreciate
Gerardo.
it. Thank you guys. Nice.
Okay, so we just got our haul from Jardines and Nada, and most of these are repeat plants, things that we already have, but there's a few that we hadn't seen before. So this one is a Fiji nut. I love the foliage on this one, so even if it takes a while to get fruit, that'll be nice. It was $12. And this one is an aki. We also have a really nice aki. These are the fruit of Jamaica, and they're supposed to be super delicious. You just have to be really careful with them because they can be kind of dangerous also as a fruit. An higo, a fig. This already has some fruit on it. We've tried this before. It hasn't done super good at our house, but we'll try it again. We always try it again. This one is huge. This is a guama gigante, and this is actually new for us. I don't think we have a guama gigante, so this will be kind of fun. These are like really soft cotton candy long pods. Canela, cinnamon, spice tree. We have one of these in the shade. We're going to try this one in the sun, see if it grows a little faster. And a eucalyptus. This one we've been looking for a long time. This is a rainbow eucalyptus. It was only $10. And these are supposed to be one of the fastest growing plants around. So we're excited to plant this on the corner of the property where we don't mind if it grows to be 100 feet in 5 years. These are dragon fruit flowers, and they only bloom at night, so they're already starting to shut up here in the morning. But look at how beautiful these are. It's just amazing how huge they are, bigger than my hand. And this is how they pollinate. If you get a night pollinator, it has to go into the center here. So I'm not sure if it got pollinated or not, but still very beautiful flowers, even if it doesn't. We've only transplanted this in the last year or so from up top, so I'm surprised to see them flowering so well. Super cool. Let me see. Put your foot in there. You been wearing Dada's flip-flops?
Yeah. Dada's shoes.
Dada's shoes.
Yeah.
We need to get Aiden's shoes. Tell me who are you, Aiden? Monster? Wow! Ahora.
¡Waldemar!
¿Todo bien?
Sí, este es mi amigo Waldemar. Ayúdame con la casa, todo.
Todo bien, Cassandra.
Hola,
Todo bien.
qué bueno verte. Y mira quién están.
Nene, qué grande. Están,
Sí.
están muy
Están
grandes.
jugando. Entonces,
Yo ahora mismo vine con mi familia porque ellos querían visitar la casa y ahora mismo ella quería ver el nene porque el nene ella siempre lo ve en YouTube. Y ¿cómo te digo? Aquí está mi niña, ahí ella es mi esposa, Adelaida, mi niña Adelimar, él es el nene Kevin. Mira Kevin, esta fue la casa que yo construí, ¿viste? Es la que siempre ves en video.
él trabajó mucho aquí.
Y ahora mismo ella quería venir a visitar la casa, mi esposa
Qué
Adelaida, ella es mi
bueno.
esposa
Gracias por
Adelaida.
venir aquí.
Sí, bendito.
Bertan, ¿quiere decir algo?
Ayúdame en todo, es increíble.
Sí,
Gracias por visitar.
sí, no, me gusta. Quería venir a visitar la casa hacía tiempo, pero siempre venía a visitarlo a ustedes, pero siempre ustedes de viaje o visitando otros lugares. Pero ya hoy, gracias a Dios, se dio la visita.
¿Y quiere decir algo? Hola.
Sí, pues estoy bien agradecida, ¿verdad? Por la bienvenida que nos han dado.
este lugar es hermoso y ver, ¿verdad? Todo el trabajo que hizo mi esposo, ¿verdad? Construir la casa es algo bien es sorprendente, ¿verdad?
Bueno.
Yo nunca había visto.
Gracias por venir y como digo, vamos a pasear más tiempo, ojalá. Tonight's dinner is steak and potato hash. Buen provecho.
Is this your buck?
Aiden, are you taking a shower with your bok?
Yeah.
Your chicken is your friend? You giving him some water?
Yeah.
Agua? Be nice to the chicken.
I'm dead.
Another gorgeous order of flowers. We have torches and some humongous heliconias, as well as some other gingers. Beautiful as always. Well, today is my turn to go to Sesco, which is the DMV here in Puerto Rico. We're in Mayaguez. I need to get my license renewed. So I had to have my birth certificate, social security card, a water or electric bill that shows my address, and then I need to go get the little doctor form. It's $20 right here on the corner. I had to have my stamps, which were, I believe, $14. And then I have to fill out the form, and then we have an appointment that we got online, so then hopefully they'll call my name, I'll get my picture taken, and we'll be out of here, so wish me luck. Alright, today we are in the Rincon skate park. We've never really been in here before, but Aiden is having a lot of fun learning how to skateboard for the first time. You like it, Aiden?
Tengo una pregunta, ¿está abierto hoy? Ok, la plaza está bien adentro y... Sí, ok, gracias.
Okay, it's Thursday night. We're in Rincon, and the art walk has just started back up tonight. It isn't the big art walk that it used to be, but at least it's something. So we're gonna go check it out. Lots of police tonight. Okay, so here we are in the art walk. We walked around a little bit. The mayor is right here behind us by the fountain in the white shirt, kind of welcoming for the first time. There's not very many people out here. It's definitely much more low-key and laid back than it usually is. And then behind us here, there's a few people who are kind of protesting the way it is because they weren't given the invitation to come back. So hopefully it will open up a little bit more fully in the future, and everyone is able to sell their wares and have a good time.
Aiden!
taking a little trip around the farmers market here in San Sebastian, El Pulguero, and right behind it is a beautiful river. Look at this, there's just so many gorgeous places just off the main spaces right here in this market. Alright, so we are back at one of our favorite places in San Sebastian. This is the Hacienda La Fe, and these are the back trails of the old Hacienda farms, the finca that it used to be at one point in time. Now it's planted with beautiful trees, and right now it's flowering with the Reina de las Flores, which are purple and pink flowers. I just love it this time of year. And in the distance you can see one of the big smokestacks of when this area was sugarcane.
And this is one of the largest flower orders we've ever done. There's quite a few in here.
For a wedding.
Good variety. They smell wonderful.
After a rainstorm, look at these termites that fly in here. They drop their wings everywhere. They don't cause any damage, but they're just a mess. It's a really rainy day. It's Father's Day. We ate at an outside restaurant on the rooftop, which was a really cool restaurant, but a little bit harder when it's this rainy. But it's starting to kind of calm down, so we might be able to jump in the water. We'll see. Aiden's already really super wet. This is a really nice, fun part of Aguadilla. Right along the coast, you can drive and pick up stuff. So. Mira, mira, nos gusta Rincon.